for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Audi A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, leather shift knob. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.